I remember before going to bed that I realized that, not realized that I forgot to upload the first two eps on the other site. So I already uploaded today season 1, the one that I forgot. No, here's the last one. I put the cardboard to have against the window. I pushed it against, kind of like, reminds me, I think of it, the wood board, the actual wood board, like you use for building stuff, houses and stuff. So I pushed it on the curtain to get it to, to block the light, the edges, when I was using it in the corner the computer. So the same thing I did before I went to sleep. But I wasn't thinking about what I did the wooden board before. I was thinking, silly, that light, I could still see the edges of it. It's amazing. So I woke up this morning, it's still really dark. Oh, that reminds me, I'm going to use the my car, the game board, this giant poster. I'm going to put it against the window upstairs. Might as well use all the stuff here instead of having to ship it, but I think I'll still end shipping some stuff. The God is constant. I realized that I kept thinking all the destinations, what's, the purest form of the God is constant, because within 24 hours, I would say the previous day, say, yeah, I guess, because it would, yeah, okay, the bit rate, megabyte, the actual bit rate, but we can get it down to, instantly showed amazing coincidental, because I was talking about the ending of the uploading the last episode, not all of it, the appreciation of my life's work, and it's the instant 72, then 36, you have it, and you have again, it's 18, and I thought, in retrospect, I should have recorded it, and I realized 9, I kept having it 9, so I was sleeping yesterday, would it be yesterday, yeah. I kept thinking, keep having it, 4.5, keep going, it's like, distance of the mall, the neighborhood, the mailbox, your home, and then within your home, so you're going like length of house, if you live in a townhouse like I do. Destinations, 4 rooms, right, so they have it I have it here, right, 4 increments. And I realized, I'm thinking of all this, I'm missing some details, but my destination of where I'm at, 6912, I came up to, I noticed a factor of adding up, think about thinking about how the units are going through, 6912, 690, they're adding 4 and 4, 6236 and stuff. And then 1963, the thing JFK that coincide. You have the 96 then, it's like cycles. Just in the story. So it's factors of 3. 3 is the number. It's like the Trinity, like my grace symbol 3 on my hand. The 9, the G, E. It's 3 factors. 3, 6, 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. The 6912, I mean. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. So you got 6, right, and 9, and then 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So it's literally, the only thing you don't see is 3, right? But it's my destination, like the sub-destination I have in my story, 6912. 6, then 9, then 12. It's perfect. It's been in front of me this whole time. The whole time. Yes, 6, 9 plus 1, 2 equals 18. 18 times 2 is 36. Factors of 3. The purest form, the Trinity, 3. Now, so the borehole and all that, so yeah, you see 3, 6, right? So 3 and 6 right in front of you. Sequential 3 to 6 and destination 3. It's been in front of me this whole time where I'm at. What does this mean? Spoilers. It could be. I'm gonna find out because until the end of the year actually occurs, we don't know exactly what the confirmation of what this means. 2025. It could be spoilers. It could be the climate change start. The biggest significant factor. It could be peak tech, which is tied to that. Peak AI, peak Wi-Fi, peak technology, peak phone, everything. So you go until the end of the world. This particular end of the world. There are different end of the world. The flame speed in the world prophecy, which I'm calling. Look at that. It's a couple of decades in the future. The God constant. From this year 2025 till then. I think that might be it. It could be pretty mundane, something with the borehole, the core borehole, the Mariana Trench, the Van Allen. So it's kind of like meant in. It's not like sensationalized, but for the story you have to sensationalize, get and a what if for a preparatory practice, safety measures. What a note. More spoilers. The 3, as in worry. So we're visiting Europe, right? And now it's the Middle East and Asia. These 3. So the Wi-Fi seems we have to shut up Wi-Fi again to keep cycling because the focus needs to be on these 3. So again, number 3. What else? Trying to read my notes, my dream notes. Let's see. I think that's it. There's one more note, but it's from my head. I mean, remember, yeah, but okay. Yeah.